Yes, my dear friends, on continuation of my lecture about find order and degree, I am picking another type of question. Find order and degree of this differential equation. So it is given as dy dx plus sine dy dx plus y is equal to e power x. So I need to write order and degree. So order means maximum times derivative. So see there, here dy dx means first time derivative, dy dx that means first time derivative. So order is 1. Number second, what is the degree? So for the identification of the degree, first of all you have to check that whether the given differential equation is in polynomial or not. So see that one, this is not in polynomial. Why not in polynomial? Because of sine y. When you open that one, this sine multiplied by dy dx means expansion of sine y is coming as power more. So that's why it is not polynomial. So the degree is not defined. Degree is not defined. Number, what is that one? Whether it is linear or non-linear. So see that one, non-linear differential equation because of sine multiplied by like that one. So it is non-linear differential equation. Dependent variable, dependent variable is y and independent variable is x. So this is the answer of that question. Hopefully you understand that one, my dear friends. Continuation of that one, this I am picking second question, question number 2, find order and degree. It is written as dy dx plus integration of dy dx plus x is equal to 0. For that type of, as you know that one, integration is the reverse process of the derivative. So if you want to know what is the order of this differential equation and degree of this differential equation, just differentiate it, because of integration is the reverse process of that one. So differentiate it. So when you differentiate, it comes d2y dx square, differentiate it with respect to x, d2y dx square plus y plus 1 equal to 0. So what is the order? So order equal to 2 and degree means maximum order derivative. So maximum order means power of the maximum order derivative. So what is the power of that one? 1. So what is the degree? 1. Is that linear or non-linear? So this one is linear differential equation. This one is linear differential equation. This one is linear differential equation. Hopefully you understand, my dear friends. Question number 3. Again we have to find order and degree. So see that one, this one is written as root form, that means in radical form. So first of all we have to reduce this radical. So how we can reduce? See that one, I am going to write by step by step. So we can write it like d2y dx square power 3 equal to x minus, sorry, d2y dx square minus, we can replace this one here, minus x equal to minus dy dx square root. So just I remove this, I replace this one by this and this one. And see, I want to write, we can write it like that because of minus is disturbing, so we can write it like that one, dy dx square root equal to x minus d2y dx 2 power 3. Now see, this one is like dy dx whole power half is equal to x minus d2y dx 2 power 3. So what is that one? See, this is power half, that means rational number, fractional part. So what you have to do, just multiply by here 2 and here also 2. So this and this cancel. So this comes now, dy dx is equal to, see that one, x minus d2y dx 2 power 9. So now when you open that one, so see here, sorry, 2, this is 6. So now see that one here, how can I write? By using simplifying. See, we people know that one, a minus b power 2 means a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now if it is, see that one here, if here power 2, for A power 2. If here power 2, for B also power 2. So when you open that one, so it is coming like dy dx is equal to x power 6 minus 2a, that means x, d2y dx2 plus something like that one, and d2y dx2 power 6 when you open that one. So for that, what is the order? Order of that differential equation is 2, but degree is equal to power 6 here, so degree is this one. Now linear or non-linear? Non-linear differential equation. Why? Because of here power more than 2, so that it is non-linear differential equation. So hopefully you understand this also. Question number 4. Question number 4 is again find the order and degree. So what you have to do, see that one, this is 2 power 2 by 5, 2 divided by 5. So this is again rational number. So what you have to do, if you want to find the order and degree, first of all this you have to remove fractional part. So we can write it du dt 1 plus du dt 2 by 5 equal to d2u dt square. So see that one, rational number is given here 5. So what you have to do, we have to cancel this 5. So multiplied by 5 by here. So I multiply here extra 5. So we need to multiply here also. When you multiply this one, what is coming? See that one, this and this cancel. So it is coming as 1 plus du dt power 2 is equal to d2u dt square power 5. Now simply we can write it order. Order means maximum order is 2 here, so order is 2, and degree equal to order of the maximum power of maximum order, power of the maximum order derivative is called degree. So this one is the answer of that question. Hopefully you understand this one also. Question number 5. Order and degree of this differential equation. As you know that one, this is multiplied by cosine d3 by dx cube is equal to dy dx plus 3x. So what is the order? See that one, the order means third times it is derivative. So order is equal to 3, and degree, see, because of this is not polynomial, so degree means not defined. Degree means not defined. Hopefully you understand this. Question number 6. Find the order and degree of this differential equation. As you know that one, in my previous example I told you that one, because of this is integration symbol. So if you want to find the order and degree of this one, just nothing, because of integration is the reverse process of the derivative. So for the solution of that one, what you have to do, differentiate this one with respect to x. So when you differentiate this one, it comes d3 by dx cube plus 8 d2y dx2 plus y is equal to 2x by 12. Now you can write the order and degree. So what is the order? Order is equal to 3, and degree is equal to 1. So this is the answer of that one. Hopefully you people understand. Inshallah I will discuss more thing after finishing this part.